Hi, I'm Scott Ryerson with the MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm excited to tell you about our newly arrived Bennington QX twin engine. So this is the QX, so it has the cladded, beautiful cladded white side, 27-foot boat, and I'll show you on the back here, we got the awesome white matching Mercury 300s. So tons of horsepower on this thing. And excited here, we'll come around the back, got the center ladder, and we'll climb up in the boat and I'll show you the rest of it inside. Okay, so now we're in the bow of the boat. Obviously huge bow being a 27-foot boat. We got the sport interior, got the platinum coloring with the graphite accent. Speakers all elevated up, nice metal speaker grills. This is a dual windshield boat, so we got co-captain's chair, windshield cockpit, and then the captain's cockpit. Because it is a twin, we got the dual Mercury digital throttle, 12-inch Simrad screen, and the cool feature about this boat, it has joystick control, so you can put this thing anywhere. Park it against the dock, feather it right into a parking spot. Really awesome control. It's the swing back, deluxe swing back, sit on either side, and because it's the deluxe, it's got the really cool backrest that pop up so you can lay out either way. And it has the electric cladded arch. Awesome boat, 27-foot QX twin 300 Mercuries. It's gonna be at our online and in our showroom, so come and check it out, or you can give us a call and tell you about it at 864-236-9005.